Remove excess grout from kitchen floor tiles by working methodically and keeping your sponge and water clean. After the initial grout application, begin by waiting until the grout skins over slightly but is still pliable, typically about 10 to 20 minutes depending on temperature and humidity. Use a large, soft sponge, dampened but not dripping, and wipe the tiles in a diagonal motion across the joints to avoid pulling grout out of the lines. Rinse the sponge, often in a bucket of clean water, and change the wash water whenever it becomes cloudy, so you are not redistributing grout back onto the tiles. For stubborn residue, allow the grout to cure fully for 24 hours and then use a nonacidic tile haze remover following the label directions, applying with a soft pad and rinsing thoroughly. When working near grout lines, hold the sponge at a low angle and use light pressure to avoid gouging the joints. Finish by buffing tiles with a microfiber cloth to remove streaks and restore uniform sheen. Common mistakes are wiping too hard and digging grout out of the joints, which weakens the installation, so always use light pressure and diagonal strokes. Another frequent issue is using dirty water, so you end up smearing haze back onto the tiles, so keep at least 2 buckets and replace wash water frequently. Many people try to remove fully cured haze with an abrasive scourer which scratches glazed tiles. Instead, choose a manufacturer-compatible tile haze remover or a plastic scraper and test a small area first. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work that fits their skills and schedule. We also host a discussion community where users share practical tips and real experiences on tasks like grout cleanup, so our members learn from each other.